we're doing optimising spray application workshops, so working directly with farmers and agronomists, making their spray plans and spray management more efficient and effective.
Been to a few puntings in ag workshops throughout the last few years. It's a good opportunity to learn a bit about spray nozzles and drift and conditions for spraying and everything like that.
When I saw it come up, I thought, righto, I want to get my son more involved in spraying, and I thought this is probably the opportunity to get him to know a bit more about looking for nozzle selections, winds and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, and things have changed so much, that's why I thought we've got to come and listen and learn, see what new things are coming out.
Nearly every one of my growers has probably got a different setup in terms of boom spray, nozzle type, tank size, boom width. So I'm just trying to get a better understanding probably where the low-hanging fruit is to improve their applications.
We're lucky we don't have grapevines and that around, but you still don't want it floating away. Well, we're not killing the weeds. Like if it's not there, we're creating our own problems really.
With spraying, there's a lot of inputs and equipment involved, so farmers are wanting to make sure that they're using their machinery and their inputs most effectively as they can.
So we probably have been pretty loose with our spray applications. It's going to get pushed on us to be more accurate, sustainable, effective in ag in general, and this is just one part of it.
Yeah, well, you don't really want to be damaging the environment. If it's your own crop or anyone else's, you're costing like yield potential, like you're wasting money that could have been in that paddock.
There's a lot of science behind it, and I think that's one thing farmers are really getting into now is the technology and the science behind what they're doing for maximum efficiency.
We've just updated to an SP boom spray last year. We're just updating the capstan to a newer version, so I want to learn more about that and nozzle selection again.
I think it's an opportunity to share information and just make sure that farmers are getting up-to-date information about doing things the right way.
Yeah, we don't want to keep using like a 2,4-D product and getting it drifted everywhere, because then all of a sudden they'll take that will come off the market and we won't be able to use it.
I think the best thing we've seen today is actually we got the nozzle ratings based on water and not actually what happens when you throw chemistry in. Understanding how the fining up mechanism works there, that's something to take back to growers, because yes, they'll say they're putting it out a very coarse 04 at 4 bar, but we're actually pulling it down to a medium without adding chemistry.
We definitely will be going back and changing our nozzles. We probably will start starting our spraying in different spots through the season. The calibration sides of things is something else I think we need to spend a bit more time on. So I think it's opened up two young blokes' eyes.
This really highlighted for me sort of tailoring your nozzle around what spray job you're looking to do. And we've got such big spray programs now. We've got guys at 15,000 acre plus, and they've had to spray nearly their whole farm twice, if not some of it 3 times. So their programs are massive. So we need to make sure we're actually doing as good a job as we can.
Look, I think we'll go through our nozzle selection a bit, and then we'll do a bit more testing on the machine. And just our pressures, I think we're running our pressure a bit low. I think we'll be having a few changes there. We end up fighting a losing battle if we don't get it right.